In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a phone number on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each screen means, and how to confidently complete your purchase without any guesswork. First, head into your GoHighLevel account and open the location or sub-account where you want this phone number to live. Numbers are tied to specific locations, so make sure you're in the right one before you begin. Once your dashboard loads, we'll move into the settings area where phone numbers are managed. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side, select Phone System. This is your central hub for everything related to calling and texting inside GoHighLevel. You'll see any existing numbers here, along with options to add new ones and manage capabilities. Next, click Add Number. This opens the purchase flow. On the following screen, click Add Phone Number to start searching the available inventory. The wording may feel a bit repetitive, but both buttons are part of the same process. One opens the tool and the other begins the actual search. Now choose the country for your new number. Pick the country where your customers are based or where you want to display a local presence. Availability and pricing can vary by region, so setting the country first helps show the most relevant options. Click Filter to narrow down the results. Use the filters to target what matters to you, like a preferred area code, a specific city, or capabilities such as voice and SMS. If you care about local presence, try entering the area code your audience recognizes. If results look sparse, broaden your filters slightly to see more choices. From the list that appears, choose the number you like and click it. Take a moment to review the capabilities shown next to the number. Icons typically indicate whether it supports voice, SMS, and MMS. Select the option that matches how you plan to use it, whether that's calling, texting, or both. When you're ready, click Proceed to Buy. You'll see a final confirmation with pricing details. Confirm your selection to finalize the purchase. After a brief moment, the new number will appear in your phone system list under the same location, ready for you to use in your workflows, campaigns, and conversations. That's it. You went to Settings, opened the phone system, added a number, filtered for the right match, selected it, and proceeded to buy. If you ever need to adjust filters and try again, you can repeat the same steps. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your new GoHighLevel number set up.